blending performance with lifestyle flair. The Nike Pegasus Premium pink foam is set to release in fall 2025. Its engineered mesh upper drenched in soft pink foam offers breathable comfort, while functional overlays at the toe and eyestay enhance durability and structure. A molded Off Noir Swoosh cuts boldly across the midfoot, and a flash of hyper pink at the rear midsole energizes the design. Pink continues throughout the tongue, lining, and outsole, creating a monochromatic, fashion-forward base. Underfoot, a visible full-length air zoom unit provides responsive cushioning, sharply defined by black trim. Design details like the mini-toe swoosh and a branded pull tab round out this refined, tech-meets-street aesthetic. With its mix of softness and punch, the pink foam appeals to both runners and style-conscious wearers. Expect it online at Nike.com and select retailers later this season.